Hi, Dr. Saxena here, and been talking on something called indoor air pollution. I'd like to talk about in different segments what I try to understand by this. And let me talk about a. I was trying to look at one of the furnitures and went to the shop. Quite big this one, and the only thing what I understood, this is a very big brand, and the only problem is that they were selling that particulate board matter. All the furniture was having in a particulate board. No doubt it is not costly, but I need to tell about what exactly, if you are trying to get a furniture in your home with a particulate board inside, then you are really releasing something like a kind of chemicals throughout, in the sense you are going to get something like because particulate board contains something like formaldehyde. The symptoms of formaldehyde poisoning, not poisoning, even if your formaldehyde is there in your ambient air, it causes some symptoms like irritation of eyes, nose, throat, respiratory symptoms, what you had all this during that viral pandemic. Stuffiness in the nose, you have got a dryness of the mouth, trying to have some cough, discharge from ear, from eyes. You have something like cough and wheezing, and these are all the symptoms which can be attributed to something like formaldehyde. And you need to be careful when you look into all that stuff. The other chemical which I am always concerned about is methylene bisphenol isocyanate. Methylene bisphenol cyanate also gets released from the particulate board, and the symptoms are almost akin. It's the irritation of eyes. You have got the same respiratory system symptoms. Apart from that, you'll have got something like skin issues also. Dry skin, respiratory sensitization, chest tightness, dyspnea, breathing difficulty, cough, dry throat, wheezing, can go up to pulmonary edema or skin blisters. Common things between formaldehyde and this isocyanate, methylene bisphenol isocyanate. There is one more, when it comes to this particulate matter, we cannot stop from telling there are other things also like toluene. There are some things like pentachlorophenol. It causes the same kind of thing, almost like a respiratory, this particular, because you inhale from the nose and you get into wheezing, pulmonary edema, and the same kind of stuff. Apart from that, you may have anorexia and weight loss, as well as sweating and headache and all that. That also happens with that, and you can have high fever post this phenol toxicity, pentachlorophenol toxicity. Toluene is one thing which is, about benzenes. Toluene is a derivative of this one, and symptoms are almost the same. Irritation of eyes, you have got lassitude, you have weakness, exhaustion, confusion, euphoria. Apart from that, this can result in something like muscle fatigue, insomnia, and sometimes liver and kidney damage. So I just wanted you people to understand what is there in this particulate matter of when I was trying to look into my furniture. I will not look into something like a particulate board matter. I'd like to do something else, because I know this is this keeps outgassing, and this outgassing of formaldehyde is a big concern. And not just formaldehyde, I have named some things like isocyanate, you have got something like toluene, you have got something like chlorophenol, pentachlorophenol, and you need to be careful about these things, because once you get the furniture inside your home, this always keeps outgassing this particular stuffs, and it is indeed a real when we look into all these stuffs of the patient who is having all this stuff, it becomes very difficult for us to pinpoint this has resulted in this. Having known about this properties and all that, I will definitely like to not to have any particulate wooden furniture in our home. Thank you.